Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I just wanted to give you an update. I've been very busy, guys. I'm sorry for not uploading, but I have plans for YouTube as well. But we have a lot to talk about. So just 2 days ago, we passed $200,000 in 2 weeks maybe. So yeah, we're over $200,000 at the moment. I'm still 40% profit. But last week, I think it was 4 days ago. We had a problem. So it was my Facebook page, not ad account, got disabled because Facebook hit me with the feedback score soon. One thing I didn't know was when you tell in the feedback score page speed delivery, you put 9 weeks and plus. Facebook going to ask your customer sooner than that. I did not know that, so I recommend you guys always put it to 7 to 8 weeks because when you do that, Facebook going to ask it in 7 or 8 week max. On normal, but when you put it on 9 weeks, Facebook going to ask about 5 to 6 weeks. So that was what happened to me. Everything was going good. I did $12,000, and the day after, my my ROAS dropped to 2.4, and I was still profit, but it wasn't 3 ROAS. So it wasn't normal. I was, what is happening? I just uploaded a new creative and start, but what I didn't know was Facebook was starting to collect feedback score. That was my performance was dropping for, and I didn't know that was for 2 days, and after that, yeah, page disabled. But I always have backup plans. So fortunately, I have most of my ads running on the other page because I knew if this page gets disabled, I'm not going to be paralyzed. So I have my ads running on another account, but still I had some campaigns that were running for 2 to 3 weeks, and they were over 4 ROAS. I was just running, I just let them be there. But guys, bad days happen to make up for the good days. So yeah, that things happen, and I was very busy. When a CBO or a ABO that is profitable for you turns off, when you turn it on again, it's not going to be the same audience because your audience number is maybe 200,000, 300,000. You ain't going to find the same people. But the performance dropped after that day. I was 1.92 ROAS daily, but I work on it very hard and I get it back. So today we are 3.5 ROAS. So I'm back up again. But we aren't still at that $11,000 a day. Today we did $7,000. We spent two K to get back seven. So today was kind of good. To yesterday we were 2.5 ROAS, and I'm going to show all this to you guys in a couple of days because I'm busy with another store. I'm making another store in another country, and I was busy with that. But that store goes live tonight as well. So I was making that store as well. So I was being very busy, and I've been translating my website to go to the other countries as well. So I've been doing a lot, and this thing with Facebook happens, guys. It just got my mind occupied. And I'm very happy you guys messaging me on Instagram and everything, asking questions, guys. It just keeps me so happy to help. And I've been seeing guys, a lot of you guys been asking me for a mentorship program, and guys, really I I don't offer mentorship at the moment because I'm very busy with my stuff. But that's in the side, guys. My page got disabled, got feedback of 1.9, and I needed only one more point to be two. But the thing with this product is, at the beginning I made some mistakes and I really paid for it. But most of the customers weren't angry about the shipping times. We're just product quality, and I just fixed that. So next time feedback score hits me, my feedback score going to be over two or something, maybe three, maybe, I hope so. But I always have backup plan. So if this page goes down, I have another page, I have another ad account, I have another business verified business manager now. Everything is ready. If something goes wrong. So because this feedback score got me off guard, because everything was good, daily 3 ROAS, and daily 3 ROAS is for me 60% profit margin. But yeah, we hit 200K 2 to 3 days ago, something like that. But after that, I've been busy making new creative. Tomorrow I'm going to meet the influencer to make a new video for the product to be able to scale it more. But yeah, now guys, to be able to pick it back up after all your ads almost get shut down from Facebook. And and when you do that, when one of your pages get disabled, your ad account can be flagged as well. So Facebook will show your ads to less people. But I have a solution for that as well. But like today I had like at the moment I'm 3.7 ROAS, so it's like awesome for today, you know. But yeah, guys, I will do my best to keep it up. You know, just everything. I'm just going to the branding route with the store, and I did some mistake. I hope you guys can learn from my mistakes. But yeah, guys, I'm going for 300K now. But yeah, it's going pretty good. You know, it's more like less than 2 months. Yeah, it's less than, it's almost 1 and like 40 days. Like I got it like to 200K in almost 1 week and a half or something like that. If you like, you can count all the days. Like it took me 25 days to take it to 110K, but after that, it took me only like 8 days to take it to $200,000. Yeah, but if it wasn't for Facebook, like this page disabled, I was going to definitely like at the end of the month like $350,000. But you know, things happen, you know, and that's like how we grow, you know, to not give up and always find a solution in the business, and that's what happened with me. But like beside that, guys, nothing so special. I made 2 new stores. I know the product is winning and it's for the good time, like it's a summer product, kind of seasonal product. Another store transacting my store to go to the other country, so that's why like I've been so much busy. But beside that, guys, nothing so special, you know. Like it's just being awake till 6 a.m. to the morning and doing everything, you know. This I'm so tired. Yeah, guys, so I just feel like I have to make a video and tell you like what I'm being up to and why I haven't been uploading video for you guys. I hope everybody have a great weekend. So peace out.